In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate custom forms into your Shopify store. Custom forms can help you collect customer inquiries, feedback, survey responses, and product requests more efficiently. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This section allows you to manage apps and add new features to your Shopify store. Next, click on Shopify App Store. Once the App Store opens, head to the search bar and type Form Builder. You'll now see several apps related to forms and customer contact features. Look for an app called Contact Form Builder and click on it. This app helps you create and customize forms without needing coding knowledge. Now, click Install to add the app to your Shopify store. Shopify may ask you to approve installation permissions during setup. Simply continue through the prompts to complete the installation. After installation, the app may present different pricing plans. For this tutorial, you can select the free plan by clicking Continue as free if available. Once inside the app dashboard, click on Create Form. You'll now see different form templates you can choose from, such as contact forms, surveys, inquiry forms, and sign-up forms. Select the template that best fits your needs and click Select. Next, customize the form by editing the fields, labels, questions, and design settings. You can add custom fields, drop-downs, checkboxes, email inputs, or message boxes depending on the type of form you want to create. After customizing the form, click Save to keep your changes. Finally, click Publish to make the form live on your Shopify store. Your custom form will now be available for customers to interact with directly on your website. Using custom forms can improve customer communication and help you gather valuable information for your business. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to integrate custom forms in Shopify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.